The team of restorers and archaeologists of the Supreme Council of Antiquities completed the restoration work of the shrine of the god Amun-Ra, one of the 7 chapels in the Temple of Seti I in Abydos, Sohag Governorate. Dr. Mostafa Waziri, Secretary General of the Supreme Council of Antiquities, explained that the restoration work being witnessed by the Temple of Seti I in the current period and other temples and archaeological sites throughout the Republic comes within the framework of the Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities' plan to develop archaeological sites in a way that works to attract visitors from Egyptians and tourists and encourage the cultural tourism product, the newcomer to Egypt, adding that it is scheduled to restore all the chapels of the temple successively, as the restoration of the shrine of the god Ra-Hor-Akhti has recently begun. For his part, Professor Mohammed Abdul Badi, head of the Central Administration of Upper Egypt Antiquities, said that the shrine of the god Amun-Ra is one of the 7 chapels in the Temple of Seti I in Abydos, a chapel dedicated to his worshippers, the god Amun-Ra. It represents the journey of the sacred boat to the other world and some religious rituals and offerings to the god Amun-Ra. Mr. Sadi Zaki, Director General of the Restoration of the Antiquities of Upper Egypt, indicated that the restoration work of the shrine of the god Amun-Ra took about 3 months and included removing dirt and soot by mechanical cleaning and using various brushes to remove dust, followed by chemical cleaning to remove soot layers from the ceiling and walls of the cabin, then completing the missing parts of the cabin: walls, ceiling, color strengthening, then the final stage, which is the insulation stage.